Trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. So low coolant in your system, what does that cause? Well, it could cause your car to overheat and lead you down the road to blowing a head gasket, and I mean fast. So if that happens, repair is the only option you have. And here's a great repair. BlueDevil Head Gasket Sealer. It's a concentrated formula that will repair and seal leaks in blown head gaskets, warped or cracked heads, heater cores, and even freeze plugs. BlueDevil Head Gasket Sealer contains no solid or particulate matter, and it won't clog or harm your engine. So I bet you're curious as to how it works. Well, it bonds to metal, aluminum, alloy, or even plastic at the leak point. So as soon as it detects that differential in temperature, it freezes it up. BlueDevil Head Gasket Sealer is compatible with, get this, both diesel and gas engines. It's even safe for the North Star engine. And here's the best part, it's guaranteed to get you back on the road. The hard part repair is always going to be your best option. However, when your vehicle just isn't worth that kind of investment, reach for BlueDevil Head Gasket Sealer as a safe alternative solution. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.